And gentlemen, I reading my wife's Facebook social media page. What she say? When Hubby now listen riddle time. Morning, everybody. Riddle me this, riddle me that, whatever. What happened when your husband, Amish attack? What happened when your husband don't follow him wife instructions to cover the car? Oh Lord. Options, the car wake up with more snow than a snow cone. Hubby have to go outside, go scrape ice, like him there boot.
Are you not able to read patois?
Wife, I'm not very good at reading patois. I'm sorry.
Continue.
Wife, wife are going from ear to ear with a servant. That's not nice. That's not nice at all. Hubby want to go move back to Florida. Yes. Anybody wants to?
You should have jumped for that part. And one foot of your boot not put on yet.
Back. Instead of I put on my boots. So no shovel the snow. What is that? Hubby? Say we take the bus. I don't think so. Ask your neighbor who you not talk to. Oh Lord. Cover the car in the box. And watch her. She posts. She shovel there. She posts
the car cover.
The car cover. Oh Lord. Where did they? Where was it? Oh Lord. Oh, sorry for me. We need help. Alright, so I'm gonna dress. I'm gonna go shovel the snow. My neighbor refused.
And I'll just take a video of you doing all of that.
Alright, and the one Charlotte at Jamaica. I post up our, what do you call it, hibiscus?
Shoe block.
Our shoe block. Charlotte, you're not nice.
My shoe block.
You're not nice. Okay, guys, so follow me for the next phase.
There you go.
And you know, I lived in Florida for many years.
And what happened?
Battling with hurricane, but never had to shovel the snow.
Yeah.
So let me get my gloves on. I'm not saying I think I'd way from America. I mean, New York.
You left Tower Hill?
Well, it was a long time
ago.
All right. Wish me well.
Okay.
Pray for me. Oh. It's not a fashion shoot, and I have to this thing up. What, how many degrees over there? 20 degrees?
It's only 30.
Oh, wow. You making
It was colder earlier.
You're making it sound like it's part summer.
Yeah.
Only 30. Huh?
Only 30.
Oh, Lord. All right, so I got on 3 layers here.
Yeah, that should do.
It look nice?
You do.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Strike a pose. There's nothing to it.
You tell her who lick me. I go say, hold that strike. Should I put on a mask?
I was about to say so. Would you believe it? I was about to say, take a mask with you.
Sinuses run away. Okay, my warm weather friends. There I go.
Okay.
The shovel is in the car. You have the car keys?
The shovel is not in the car. It's down the foot of the steps.
I'm not going to get some dishwater soup when I come back.
You had turmeric.
Turmeric. That's not helping.
The tail of the turmeric. All right. See you in a few.
All right.
Okay.
After this winter, I'm moving back to Florida.
That's all right.
All right.
You have keys. Let's figure it out.